Good morning everyone and welcome back to another renovation vlog. Today is a very big day in the renovation vlog series. This morning all of the shelves and the rails for inside my wardrobe arrived and Tim has kindly offered to help me build all of it. I am going to paint the inside of my wardrobe and we are going to put the units in. So it's a very big, very exciting day. A day I've been waiting for 2 years since I moved into this flat. We'll see how far we get today. Also, there have been a lot of changes to the bedroom as well. I'm not sure which is actually going to go up first. Whether I'm going to put this up first or whether I'm going to put the bedroom one up first. Probably the wardrobe, to be honest. So yeah. Without further ado, let's get on with it. So I'm currently in my painting clothes. Tim is being very good and emptying the last few bits of the wardrobe where spiders probably live. He's going through and bunging stuff in bin bags and the wardrobe is nearly completely empty. And then I'm gonna start painting in there while Tim begins to build all of these. Oh God. Now there have been quite a lot of changes in this room, so I'm having to film from quite specific angles so that I don't show them to you because they're for a different part of the vlog. Quite confusing filming a couple different videos at the same time, but we'll get through it together. But as you can see, the rail is out. These are all things from inside the wardrobe and there's a very happy Tim. Look at him, he's thrilled. Woo! There is nothing in here. It is empty. It is a blank slate. My wonderful boyfriend Tim, who is so good, has gone to do a click and collect at B&Q because I've run out of Coke and I really need some because as you can see the floor has definitely kind of dropped in here since laying it all down 2 years ago, which is understandable, but there's quite a lot of really like big gaps in the skirting boards, so I want to fill all of those and spider-proof my wardrobe. So I'm gonna start building a couple of the IKEA bits now, and then when Tim comes back he'll take over from that and I'm gonna start painting in here. We're on a bit of a tag team at the moment. It's so weird, my wardrobe used to be the only room without an echo and now it's the echoiest room in the house. Here's my mission. I'm gonna start building the small one because Tim is much quicker and more efficient at this. I don't want to waste time. I may as well just do one of the smaller ones to help him out a little bit rather than me do something wrong on one of the bigger ones, you know what I mean? So let's start. My room is currently full of my wardrobe. Oh God.
Grounded with Louis Theroux.
Oh yeah. One built. That has nearly taken me an hour to build. This is how bad I am at flat pack furniture. It's actually a skill to be as bad as I am at flat pack furniture.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave.
As you can see, this is still drying, but I wanted to paint the back wall the same colour as the walls in my bedroom because, and I also repainted this because it was covered in black de-damping stuff and it looked horrible, so I just repainted it white because I wanted you to be able to kind of see the bricks and like the slight arch and just have some contrast because the bricks just get a bit lost, which I think is a shame. And Tim has been very busy. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. I could have probably gone for another one of these tall ones, you know? I went for another one of these shorter ones because I was convinced it wasn't gonna fit, but it does. Oh my god. So I picked up a few of these baskets off of Amazon. They really weren't that expensive, and I could put 3 in a row here and then just be able to pull them out, but I think I like it like this, and then display whatever bag I am not currently carrying. So like I said, the other unit is this shorter one because this is 2 parts. It's a shoe unit and then a hanging one on top. The one that's just the hanging unit may go here, and then perhaps I'll put these on top like that. But these are very space efficient. I am very impressed. I honestly think I could have got another unit. And then it's given me this whole wall. My god, I'm so excited. And the 3rd unit is in. Oh my god. This is perfect. I actually don't think you realise how happy this makes me. Like, I am so happy right now. Right, let me do a few things. It's actually mind-blowing how it fits perfectly to the centimetre. And this was not expensive. Like, to get built-in wardrobes is so expensive to get them custom made, really, to you. This isn't even the most expensive IKEA. It's like the lower budget IKEA wardrobe kind of, you know, combos, make your own. But it looks so much more expensive than it was. There's still one more unit that I'm going to put here, a shoe unit. Yes, we've got some shoe storage here. I reckon this will be for my dresses and things, and then this will be for my skirts and tops. And then this one will probably be for Tim, for his like suits and hanging trousers and shirts and things like that, because he doesn't have many clothes, so that I think should be good for him. And he has his whole chest of drawers as well. Me on the other hand, I'm a different story. I couldn't be happier. Like, I actually don't think I could be happier with it. Before anyone asks, this is a really sketchy light that is hanging off the wall. When my dad is able to, he's gonna come and put a really pretty wall light on here, so it's like a nice little feature, which I am really excited for as well, because it can completely change the vibe, having like a pretty kind of sconce, wall sconce, is that what they're called? I may bring my big mirror in here, I'm not 100% sure yet. I want to put maybe some art in here. I'm so excited, oh my god. It's just a little rough kind of idea as to what I'm gonna do. So I think skirts, dresses here, and jumpsuits, and then top halves here, so like jackets, shirts and jumpers, because like sweatshirts and everything like that can go in my drawers. Obviously Tim's stuff, that's probably going to be like swimwear. This is also going to be where I need to keep my suitcases as well, so my suitcase can live in the corner there. Okay, so I've temporarily put my mirror here. I don't know whether that's going to stay, but it is not just because of the backlighting. I was thinking for like try on hauls and for mirror selfies this could be quite a nice background, but it is backlit, so I don't know. Okay, so I'm having a bit of a play around. I've got some of these smaller baskets as well. Again, I just want to bring like natural colours, natural textures into an otherwise very white, stark room, because, you know, this white IKEA stuff isn't really my style. You know, I like my warm tones and my woods, hence why I painted that wall. Oh, well, that changes things. Maybe it doesn't have to go up here. Maybe these can go down here. See, I'm trying to keep this room as functional with as much kind of storage as possible while still looking nice. Got a couple of proud little boxes and bags here. This little lady, I think I'm going to put some faux flowers in her. I feel like the female form is definitely going to come in a lot in this room. Like, I've got my naked curvy lady that I think I'm going to put here, but I may hang hats here. There's a lot of things that are undecided. Like, this isn't the final room transformation by any stretch of the imagination. There's a lot to be done. Obviously the wall light needs changing, but this is a massive step in the right direction. I'm thinking of maybe putting a runner in here. I think that would look really lovely, but again, we'll see how it looks when the rest of the units are in. I like it feeling quite open. I don't want it to be too cramped and crowded. I'm just sad that I've done this in my painting clothes. I'm showing you my lovely storage for my beautiful clothes and I look like a 4-year-old who just got back from Disneyland. Tim got me these faux flowers from Sainsbury's, so I might see if they fit in the lady. I'm gonna take it out of like the paper. I'm undecided, I don't know about that. You understand my idea, you get the gist. Good morning everyone, it is now the next day. I woke up this morning and the first thing I did was walk into my wardrobe and just be so happy. I am so thrilled. It's not done, like this isn't going to be here. I've just popped it back in here because I had it in my bedroom and it was just taking up loads of space, but this won't be here. I've just popped it back in here for now. There are still a few things that I want to do in here, a couple changes, not even changes, just additions that I want to make. So I'm going to end this video here and leave it as is for now, and the next time you see it I think will be the grand reveal, before and afters, etc. We got so much more done in a day than I thought that we would, so I thought it would be maybe another video, but it's actually just going to be a 2-parter I think. So yeah, I will show you guys the final result at the end and I cannot wait, and I mean, you've seen the majority of it now anyway. I think it's just my dream wardrobe. Let me know what you think. I can't believe it. I know I keep saying it, but I'm genuinely in shock as to how well it turned out. I just didn't expect it to look as good as it does. I'm so happy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye.